Okay, we've got one more to do. And for this one, I think that maybe we should take turns working a little bit, or get together and then you try some things. So we'll kind of split up the work on this one. The problem says Monica performs yard care services to make money. She is copied really poorly. I apologize. She mows yards for $20 each. She rakes yards for $15 each. Monica has a goal of earning at least $180. Why don't you try part A? We'll pause the video for just about a minute and a half, and you try part A. All right, let's see how you did. When it says that Monica needed to earn at least $180, that tells me that the inequality needs to be greater than or equal to 180. And the inequality needs to describe how she earned money. She earned $20 every time she did X, every time she mowed yards. So we want 20X plus she also earned $15 every time she raked. So 15Y. Makes a lot of sense. So how about something like 20X plus 15Y is greater than or equal to 180? Let's do part B. Graph the inequality. Let's do this again. Let's pause. This time we'll pause it for about 3 minutes, and you try to make the graph. All right, here we go. To find the x-intercept, we need to cover up or forget about the y term. If I cover up the y term, I see 20x and 180. And if 20x equals 180, and you divide both sides of that equation by 20, you get x is 9. What that's telling me is that on the boundary line, x ought to be 9, when y is 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, right there. Okay. Now I also know that I can find the y-intercept by doing the cover-up on the x term. And if I do that, I see 15y equals 180. Okay. So 15y equals 180. If I divide both sides of that equation by 15, then I get y to be, let's check that one just to make sure. 180 divided by 15. I think that's 12. Yes, it's 12. All right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 9, 10, 11, 12, right at the very top. All right. And then let's connect those with a line. And again, since this says greater than or equal to, I want a solid line there. This line is where 20x plus 15y equals 180. I want to know where 20x plus 15y is greater than that. We'll shade above. So anything in the shaded part here should solve the problem. So here's our familiar part C. List at least 3 possible combinations of mowing jobs and raking jobs that will allow Monica to reach her goal. So let's pick, here's one that works. She could mow 5 yards and rake 7. So one of the options would be 5 mows and 7 rakes. That's one option we've got. Here's another. Oh, let's pick one on the line just for fun. There's looks like 6 mows and 4 rakes. And let's pick one more. Let's do... Oh, I like this one, because I'd rather mow than rake. I'm sorry, I'd rather rake than mow. That's 3 mows and 11 rakes. All right, we've got it. Problem solved. Panthers, here's what's left for you to do then today. One of the things you need to do, and we'll get the glue out for you in a moment, is to add this page to 121 in your ISN. So in just a second when the glue comes out, make sure that that gets there on 121. I will also say that you should update your score sheet with the classwork that will be due this Friday. Make sure you add today's date. It's the 12th. This is Learning Target 23, Day 3 classwork. This is a handout that you are about to receive. It looks like this. And there are 4 problems on it that you should try to solve that are very similar to what we've worked on today. Panthers, if you happen to finish all of today's classwork, use your time to make sure that all of the classwork for this learning target is complete. When we get together tomorrow, I'll answer any questions you have. We'll spend some time reviewing, and we'll take a mastery assessment that has learning targets 21, 22, and 23 on it. Panthers, it is work time. Let's be productive. Have a great rest of your day, and I look forward to seeing you on Wednesday.